Good evening, everyone. How's everyone doing? Hopefully, you all had a good weekend. Bitcoin is trying to have a little bit of a pump. So if we can hold above here, should be a good live stream and a couple of altcoin setups. So this, guys, is a new format live stream. The content is similar. I'll be looking at Bitcoin, but the thing is, I'll be looking at more altcoin live trades as well. So some long trades, some short trades. This live stream has been sponsored by Delta Exchange. So I'll be doing this live stream every Sunday, 7 p.m. So any questions you have, any coins you're looking at, you can ask me questions. We can look at it together. And the goal of this is hopefully in a bull market, we can all make lots of money together. But the key goal for this is making sure I can keep you guys on the right side of the market. As long as I can keep you guys on the right side of the market, I would be really happy. Not promising you millions and billions. As long as we can be on the right side of the market when Bitcoin is making a big move, I will be really happy. So if you do enjoy this type of content, guys, do hit that like button. If you want to check out the exchange, you can check out Delta Exchange. But anyways, guys, let's get started with the video. I'll just quickly post it on Twitter that I'm going live, and I'll post in the Telegram groups, and we shall get started. If you have joined, just do say hi. Let me know if the sound and the video, everything is okay before I start talking for an hour. This live stream will be about an hour. We'll also be looking at news. People have said that they love my fundamental analysis, so I'll also spend time talking about news. I think that you guys should find that useful. Hi, Crypto Life. How's it going, mate? Yeah, welcome to the live stream. I'll wait for a few more people to join. We usually get about 30-40 people. And, you know, people that are saying, oh, hi, SM, how's it going? Are you guys looking at any coins to buy? Whilst we're waiting for people, we can have a look at your coins. More goals, how's it going, mate? I think I've seen you in previous live streams. And one final thing, last live stream that we did, we got to where's my live? Last live stream that we did, we got to 43 likes. Let's see if we can push it to 50 likes. So that's the goal for this live stream. See if we can push it to 50 likes. Hi, Muggles. Yeah, I think I've seen you before. But yeah, good to see some regulars. Majori, how's it going? Our good long-term friend, how you been? Have you been trading any coins? Anything you're looking at? Let me know. I'll have a look at your coins. What's hot? Coins wise, some of the altcoins that I'm long, I'm still holding lots of shorts, unfortunately, because the market is down. This is one coin I'm long. Majority, you're part of the group. I posted all these setups in the group. So the coins that I'm long, I'll go through it all here as well. So these are the 3 coins I shared out earlier in 17th of June. You can see them. So HNT, oops. OGN and XMR, I'll review these trades. Apart from that, I'm still holding some short. So those are 3 coins. OGN has some news. HNT, the chart looks good. I'm also long Sol. So I've just got some spot Sol. It's not really moved much. I got some here. Majority loves DAG. I'm not in DAG at the moment. Charting wise, I mean, there is lots of resistance on this Majority. We've got to be careful. Yeah, we've got to be careful with this. Yeah, I can have a look at Luna as well. Luna, our previous favorite coin. I'll spend some time on Luna. I'm not a big fan of Luna at the moment, but yeah, still long term it's a good coin. Right, yeah, before I get started, I'll just make one more point. So yeah, I'm gonna call this, let me know what you guys think about this name, Crypto for DEGENS, or if you've got any other names for it. I want to make it like a weekly show where I give it a name. So if you have any other names, let me know. I'll think about it for the future live streams. So let's get started now. Always be careful, always careful. Yeah. I'm always careful. Well, yeah, charting wise, I don't really have a clean read on this, you know. I mean, this is resistance as well, these 2 highs, so it could get a move up into that zone. And then like this is like a floor as well, Majority. So yeah, I'll have a look at Litecoin. I'll have a look at all your coins. Hex, yeah, Hex been like recently the most popular coin on Twitter. I made a YouTube video just recently on Hex. Are there any other Hex fans? I'm happy to spend some time talking about Hex. Because we are all DEGENS. I mean, I love crypto. So yeah, I think that's a pretty cool name. My marketing is not usually that great, so yeah, I think that's a pretty cool name. We'll go with that for the next few weeks. See how it goes. Right, we'll get started with Bitcoin then. So as usual on the live stream, I know we crypto DEGENS, but I'm gonna share some long trades. But what we need to talk about is what Bitcoin is doing, because if Bitcoin dumps, all the long trades I've just shared with you, they'll probably go down. And so it's really important to see how many Hex fans is there. So SM is a Hex fan. SM's for Hex. Brigadirage is here for Hex. Hi, Brigadirage is a good friend on. Majori, you've got Hex. I didn't know that, Majori. When did you get in Hex? I've not posted that I'm live on the Telegram group, have I? Yeah, I'm surprised you're on Hex. Yeah, you should have told me, Majori. It had a really big pump. I'll after as soon as I've done Bitcoin, I'll spend some time talking about Hex. So did you get in beforehand? I mean, I'm really excited because Majori is like a gem finder. She gets in coins before I do. I'm more of a trader in the group. Majori is more of a investor, hodler type. Did you get in? Tell me you got in before mid 2021. I'd be really happy if you have, because that would make. I mean, this was a big pump. This is the biggest zone I can see on the chart. I made a YouTube video on this. I mean, as long as it's above here, if it does something like this, really well. I mean, this is like a, what you call it, like a like Luna. It's got the best Ponzonomics. You've got to give it that. The way it reduces the supply, it's amazing. Really well done, Marjorie. If you got in before then, I mean, did you follow my strategy and take some profit? Then like you do get a thumbs up for that. Let me give you a love heart for that. That is amazing. Right, so let's start the live stream. Apologies. I mean, you probably realize I always say an hour, then I end up spending hour and a half because I get digressed. But that's the reason for it. We are crypto DEGENS. We love crypto. We want to spend time talking about crypto. I'm usually spending 24 hours, longer than that if talking about crypto. Right, so Bitcoin broke that 30K and I was really disappointed. If you guys follow me, we got in Bitcoin. Our average entry was 27.5. We held through this. Once we got a couple of 4-hour closes, 26K I think was my exit, and Bitcoin just had a huge sell-off. It's back to 20K, and this is probably the most important zone in the chart there is. This is a previous all-time high. Bitcoin in its history has never broken below 20K. So 20K is a level that it needs to hold. If Bitcoin breaks below 20K, I will be worried. Whether you love crypto, Bitcoin, some of the altcoins I'll share, Hex, if Bitcoin breaks below 20K, it's going to affect every cryptocurrency. So it's really important that Bitcoin, yeah, you do really well on that. I struggle with it. Oh, what is going on? Please report that, guys. I'm going to delete that. Just 2 seconds. Someone just put some bad comment. It's annoying. I don't know how they're. Apologies for that. Who's gonna click on that? So now he's back at 20K. It really, depends on what Bitcoin does here. If it can put in a lower highs, start trend changing higher, amazing. That's what we need to see. And the key level I've got is 19.8k. As long as we're above there, I'm happy. You know, I've shared some long trades. ETH I'm long, Sol I'm long. I'll share with you a couple of altcoins. This is, you know, the crypto for DEGENS live stream. So I need to share some coins to go 100x on. So I'll be sharing with you some altcoins. But this is a really important zone Bitcoin is at. And it's trying to break out now. It's broken out and then it's dipped back below. So one trade setup, if we get a 4-hour close above there, so 4-hour close above, let's say 21.8, that is a long setup. So I'm happy to post that now. 21 Bitcoin above 21.8k is a long setup towards 23/24k. That is a simple trade idea I'm looking at. I'm expecting Bitcoin to come into here. It's 22.3 to 23.3. That is a level I think Bitcoin will head towards. So I don't really have a setup at the moment. If I have to share, you know, last live stream we shared a trade. The first live trade I took on Delta Exchange. Let me see if it loads up. The last setup we took was a leveraged coin. Was here. That was a long we took, and the reasons, the explanation of the reasons, everything is on the previous live streams. You can go watch that. I took that trade live, and it almost came to our stop loss, then chopped around, then hit our target. If we do that in the live stream in the next 50 minutes, you know, next hour or so, I'm happy to look for a long. 15-minute close above here, we'll look to long it, targeting this red zone. If we don't do that, I think we potentially sell off even lower towards 19.8k, and that is going to be the truth or dare. If we break below 19.8k, just exit. I would look to exit again. I bought Bitcoin like same as did 27.5k. Once we got this 4-hour close, I got out. If we start breaking below 19.8k this week and SPX starts breaking down, run. So that is the big key level. I'll write this down as well. Big key support for Bitcoin is to hold above 19.8k. Break below there, bearish again. So that is the trading update, guys. Does that make sense? Let me know. You know, hit that like button, or have you got any questions on Bitcoin before I look at any other coins? That is the most important thing. If Bitcoin holds above 19.18k, I think we're gonna head higher for Bitcoin. SPX is, I'm expecting a pullback in SPX, and I'm expecting SPX to put in a lower high somewhere here. If SPX is below this level, then yeah, SPX below 3,800 and Bitcoin below 19.8k, don't run, like don't just like exit, just run away. Like that would be really bearish for cryptocurrency. So that's a high time frame update. I can talk about inflation and macroeconomics and like war and pandemic and all that good stuff, but objectively what you can look at is SPX holding above 3,800, so this breakout zone, and Bitcoin holding above that support 19.8k. Bitcoin hasn't pumped even though SPX have pumped. That is worrying, because that might mean if SPX breaks down, Bitcoin will have a huge sell-off. Let me repeat that if you didn't get it. SPX pumped, but Bitcoin didn't pump as much. So if SPX sells off now, Bitcoin is likely to sell off even more. So it's really important SPX holding above 3,800. So that's all that I had on Bitcoin. Any questions before we move on to altcoins and start looking at your requests? I'll give you guys a couple of minutes. Long term, are you bullish? So if you ask me if I'm bullish or bearish now, I'm leaning more bullish. Matic, yeah, we'll start looking at altcoins. I think you guys want to start looking at altcoins. Majori, are you still here? Are you looking at any altcoins at the moment? Are there any altcoins that you're looking at or you're bullish on? Little small cap gems you can share with us? So yeah, let me answer that, and then yeah, we'll have a look at Matic next. So we'll finish off with Bitcoin first. So Bitcoin, am I bullish or bearish? I'm bullish. We're down 60-70%. Yes, it can go down further, but after this type of sell-off, if you accumulate and you're happy to hold, right? I need to do Hex, don't I? Anyone else here for Hex? Oh, I think I need to do Hex next because there were lots of Hex fans earlier on in the live stream. We'll do Hex next, and then we'll do Matic, GMT, Kava, and all everyone requests. Okay, no worries. Yeah, we'll talk about. I think Majori likes Hex as well, so we'll talk about Hex next. Yes, so Bitcoin has sold off massively, and you don't want to. It is, and if you ask me now, it will potentially be a short trade for me. So I'll go back and do a short term. I'll share with you a short trade. No worries, Majori. Thank you. Do let me know, my friend. So yeah, Bitcoin is sold off so much. So yes, it can have another leg lower, but this is a time where you accumulate. So if you believe in Bitcoin long term, you could look to buy some here. So that is my simple opinion. If you like or believe in Bitcoin, buy and hodl some. You know, you were FOMOing in at 60, 50K. It's 50, 60% cheaper now. Like, just buy and hold some. So I'm long term bullish at the moment. So that will be the first thing that I say. Am I bullish or bearish? I'm bullish. But trading wise, I'll trade the charts. You know, this Bitcoin could dump to 10K. No one knows if stock market dumps and there's like a full on inflation or the market's really bad and all this crazy stuff people talk about, Bitcoin could dump a lot lower. You know, crypto, we've not seen crypto has never seen a full on recession. You know, I've never experienced a full time recession. I've been trading full time since 2018. I've been following the markets for 2013, 2014. I've never seen a recession. I don't know how the market reacts. I'm scared of my trading strategies. You know, I started 2018 when I became full-time trading oil, and that's when I got really aggressively, in the markets and became full-time. I don't know how the market is going to react. By the way, guys, we've got about 20 people watching the live stream. Do hit that like button. Let's see if we can get to 50 or 25 people now. Yeah, let's see if we can hit that like button, guys, and see if we can get to 50 likes. Last Sunday live stream, we got to 43 likes. Let's see if we can beat that and get to 50 likes. That's my goal for doing this. So if you want to help me, do hit that like button. It really helps us out. Right. So that's my thoughts. Long term, I'm bullish, but I'll trade it. I'll trade it wherever. If you start breaking below 19.8K, I'll look to short it, target 17K, and the next target 15K. For me to buy long term, if this breaks down, I'd probably look around here. And here, I'll just buy and take it out of exchanges. I tweeted about Hex. You can see this. One thing I really like about this is this guy says, lots of people talk about having money in exchanges like Celsius, Anchor Protocol, but you don't own your keys. Unless you own your key, you don't own your coin. Thanks, by the way, guys. I think we just had 12 likes. Appreciate that. Unless you own your keys, you don't own your coin. Hex has got lots of issues, and you might not like Hex. Watch my Hex video. It's like a love or hate relationship. In the UK, we talk about Marmite. Hex is like Marmite, in a way, in like a funny sense. But a point that I really like about this is like we're trusting money with like Celsius. We're trusting people. There's lots of other people that we've trusted recently. They're losing money. 3 Hours Capital could be going down. It's really bad what's happening. So if you buy some Bitcoin around here, take the money out. Put it in take it in a cold wallet and never touch it. If you believe in it long term, I highly recommend you do that. So that's whether I'm bullish Bitcoin long term or not. It's bullish long term no matter what. SEC said Bitcoin most likely, Ether most likely good. Yeah, 100%. I only hodl Bitcoin and ETH. I don't really hold anything else. I was exposed to Luna. Again, that messed me up a bit. But I just hold Bitcoin and ETH. Long term, accumulate that. I'll trade everything. I might even try Hex. Trying to play it long term. But it was really important to not hodl anything else. Yeah, so let's do a short-term TA then. So short-term is breaking down now, which isn't looking great, and this 5-minute trend is down. So in a way, you could even take a short trade here. Where's the 15-minute? Let me go on this one, this chart. So something like this. It should not get back above there. If it is bullish, it shouldn't get back above there. You target here. I mean, my ideal, I like pullbacks to there. You just follow the trend, don't you? That's what we do, at least to 3821. And this will be your first target. So if I was to trade it now, I'll be bearish just because we've sold off. I was bullish at support. That is my trading strategy. You know, I'll share with you swing trades and all this stuff, but my scalping strategy that I teach is just buying support, selling resistance, and after breakout we buy pullbacks at support. That is basically it. You know, I spend 20 hours explaining that in my strategy, but in a gist, that is how we do it. And then we try to use Fibonacci, moving averages, candlestick pattern, and all that to help us. So short-term bearish, and the long setup is a 4-hour hourly close above there, 21.6. Then we'll look to long it towards 22.9, 23.23k. That's the short-term trade I'm looking at. So that is my thoughts on BTC. The next question is Hex. So let's do a technical analysis on Hex. No worries, Jared. I don't think I've seen you in this live stream, so we always welcome new ones. AD, how's it going, mate? So a question for the Hex fans, if people are watching Hex, do you guys have you any of you taken profit, or are you just like holding long term? Because I spoke to someone, they like locked it up for like, I think, I don't know, a few years. Or let me find out. Let me bring the Hex chart up. Yeah, I think you can lock it up to a few thousand days, can't you? Yeah, 15 years people can lock it up to. It's ridiculous. I don't know how people do that. I can't. I struggle with it. Hey, yes, I'm good. Market's been quiet. I've booked a few holidays. I'm really looking forward to. I've booked Marbella. I might even do a live stream from Marbella if you guys are interested. It's I don't know where you guys are from. It's a really nice place in Spain. I'm really looking forward to it. So yeah, really looking forward to that. But yeah, short term. So does that, so how much, so if you, how does that work then, MS? If I put in 1,000, let's say I put $10,000 in, so what, how long would I get the money off? So is every month I'd get some money out of it? What percentage is it? I think you guys might have to coach me on Hex more, because I've, again, not got more money in Hex yet. Majori, if you're still here, how are you doing? Have you just locked it up? Or have you got like rolling stake? I need to find out about rolling stake. I've not read about a rolling stake. Yeah, I've not got rolling stake. I need to read about. So let's say, okay, $10,000. I want to stake it for 3 months. How much can I get out? What's the APY for it? I need to see strength in Bitcoin. I mean, if Bitcoin dumps and Hex is at like 1 cent or pence, whatever you call it, I'd be interested in accumulating here. So yeah, for now, trading wise, again, we can talk a lot longer about. Yeah, so one question then. So my question, if you watch this video, I recommend, if you're a Hex fan, watch that video, because I share with you bullishness and also my concerns about the project. So my only concern with Hex is like, what is the demand going to be there for Hex? So, you know, you get 3.69 inflation. Is that correct? From my research, 3.69 inflation per year. Oh no, oh dear SM. How have you lost money on Hex? I think Randy's done it well. So yeah, I'm just repeating myself what I said in the video. So 3.69, I believe it is. Let me just double check. Yeah, 3.69 inflation yearly. So that will mean the supply of Hex is going to grow 3.69 every year. So the demand for Hex needs to be going up 3.69 every year. Oh dear, that's bad. Buy more Bitcoin and Ethereum. Are you a trader, SM, or are you an investor? So that is my only question. If it's keep growing up, can the demand keep going up? So what happened here was, and there's going to be unlocks as well. Unlocks is going to increase supply. Price action, 100% price action. So, I mean, if you watch my videos, mate, I spend probably I create my trading idea using price action, and then I'll use moving average, candlestick patterns, just to take trades. So what happened here was the supply was going down because people were locking up their Hex tokens, so supply was down, and there was lots of demand because there was like parabolic rally, people making money, FOMO rally, demand was up, and we saw this huge crazy rally. I do think we'll probably see another crazy rally like that if the price drops, and I don't think this is a scam, but you know, locking up for 10 years, I don't have the confidence to do that. That's just my thoughts at the moment, but I do like what they say. So this will grow, won't it? Let me get the chart up. Hi Bitcoin 2020. I've not seen you in a while, mate, on the live stream. How's it going? Yeah, if you're an investor, then you need to think long term. Buy the dip, SM. I've told my dad to buy Bitcoin around 20k, so that's my advice to my family. If you guys love crypto and you believe in crypto long term, you can look to buy Bitcoin around 20k. Hell no. I mean, let's just say, let's not ask about Hex. Are you okay to buy a coin and lock up for 10 years? Let me just ask you that. So are you guys happy to lock up a token for 10 years? Yeah, I'm excited for Pulse Exchange. I think there will be a pump really leading up to that. Remember Bitcoin phase miners. Let's see what you guys think. We've got about 25 people watching now. But in a way that is bad. Like, if you believe in something, you should be, yeah. David, how's it going, mate? I'll send you a message. I'm going Marbella. I don't know if you're around, David. I'll send you a direct message. He's a good friend of mine from the group. I mean, that is, I don't know what to make of that. So I've got two things to say. I'll just finish off with Hex. And then we'll look at SNX for David. He's a good friend. Right. So first of all, thinking long term is good. I'm hodling some Bitcoin. I'm hodling some Ethereum. Ethereum, I'm a bit more scared. Bitcoin, I'm not, because I know what Bitcoin is. I've got confidence that long term Bitcoin price will go up. I'm very confident. And Ethereum, if the merge goes wrong, if something happens to Vitalik Buterin, my Ethereum investment could go wrong. But Ethereum is more likely to 10x, 20x a lot longer. And like I said, as this live stream name is, you know, crypto DEGENS, and this is our Sunday live stream. I think, you know, crypto DEGENS, there's going to be lots of altcoins that pumps. There are altcoins that we don't even know about. that are gonna 100x, 1000x, and I'm here for it. You know, I said the same thing in 2018. There's gonna be altcoin that pumps. I'm gonna 100x leverage and trade it spot and all that crazy stuff. We'll do that again. I do believe there's gonna be another bull market cycle. There's gonna be, you know, the big 1000x. There's gonna be new 10 coins. You know, Solana wasn't here, Polkadot wasn't here. You know, all these coins are new. That was Shiba wasn't here. All these coins came up. You know, Litecoin went out, Chainlink went out, and this is how crypto cycle works. It's pump and dump, and it's never good to get married to trades. And I always say that, don't get married to trades. So that's the bad version of it. So if you got something like Bitcoin, yeah, hold long term. Hex, my only concern is that the price rise. Someone said Bitcoin is, so hi Brigaders, yeah, Bitcoin inflates, miners mine the inflation, Hex takers mine the inflation, also Hex documentary. So, but has Hex got a supply limit on Brigaderage? So Bitcoin is limited, isn't it? After 21 million, there's not going to be, is it 21 million? After 21 million is the max supply. After 21 million, there's not going to be any more Bitcoin. So in a way, Bitcoin will stop being inflationary. So, yeah, but yeah, MS, but if people start, yeah, rug pulls, man. Hex is, I would say Hex is not a scam. The risk of Hex is the price just does this. That's the risk of Hex. I don't think Hex is a scam. After doing my research, again, please do your own research. I'm happy to share with you trading advice because I've been using strategy. I've back tested it since 2015, 2016 oil for 4 or 5 years. I've live traded this strategy. I am very confident, unless exchanges rug pulls and I can't do anything about it. If you follow my strategy, I'm confident, but I can't give you investment advice 10 years, 20 years down the line because I don't know it myself. If I knew it, I'd still be doing these crypto live streams because I enjoy it. Crypto trading, I love doing it. But I definitely, you know, do a lot more crazy stuff. But yeah, the point I was trying to make was my risk, I don't think this is going to be a rug pull or crash like Luna, but what the risk of this is that if this could just be a slow burn. How does that work? Yeah, that's a good point. I mean, maybe we can talk about, send me a message on, are you from Twitter, MS? Send me a message on Twitter. Send me and Brigadier a message, or just tweet to me on Twitter. We can talk about it. Tweet me and Brigadier Edge. And we can talk about that on Twitter. But I'm probably same as you, Arise. I'm a trader mainly. If it goes past my entry point, I'm out. Yeah, I always have stop losses. I mean, you've seen me get stopped out. I mean, Zilliqa, I was talking about, I made a Zilliqa video. I shared a trade signal. I always talk about my winners, but this is a loser. By the way, what a short that was. This was on Metapolis pump. Same as my waves short. We took a Zilliqa short. But yes, this trade didn't work. I bought Zilliqa here. And yeah, it had a move up and then it dumped. It stopped me out. So always have, that's the first thing I teach. First thing I teach is risk management and psychology. That's the first two things I teach. I don't teach any trading strategies, candlestick pattern. Unless you have risk management and trading strategy, you're never going to make money in this industry. So you've had 20 votes, 75% people wouldn't hold more than 10 years. Yeah, I would love to, MS. Send me a Twitter. I would love to speak to him. I mean, I'll keep going back to whatever you think about it. This is a video that everyone should watch. This bit where he talks about like Celsius and these exchanges are taking customers' money and then like doing DEGENS stuff. You'd rather throw your money, go to a strip club rather than give these people money. What Celsius has done, what 3 Hours Capital has done is horrible. And basically like not your keys, not your coins. I'd love to do that. Yeah, message me, we can talk about it on Twitter. So right, let's talk about SNX. So David asked for SNX. Oh, short SNX, David. Are you short SNX? Yeah, Luca, I completely agree with that. I only hodl Bitcoin and ETH. short SNX, mate, 100%. I'm just going on my phone now. Check my SNX trade. Yeah, so who was it? Was it last live stream I shared this? So check the date. It was last this live stream I shared this SNX short trade. And I didn't take it myself. I mean, it's a bit late entry now. I might have to look to get in on a short-term pullback. You could, but the risk to reward isn't as great. Your stop will have to be above that spike. Target-wise, I think it comes down to here. At least down to here. I mean, this is the first target, and then I think it goes to even lower. And in cryptocurrency, I mean, I'm going back to Hex again. I should have titled this Hex live stream. But yeah, the key thing is that in cryptocurrency, everything is the CEO or the founder. We saw what Do Kwon did. Do Kwon single-handedly pumped Luna just by being charismatic. Same with Cardano. Cardano is being punked by Charles Hodgkinson. You could short it now, David. I mean, you could take a small size though, because your stop loss will have to be so big. And then use this as a guideline. If we start trend changing above here, exit. Infinity, you took it. Well done, Infinity. So this could be our first, we need to give David a thank, don't we? We can't like comments here on the live streams, but David is a really good friend. Yeah, so SNX is a big dump. The risk to reward wise, it's not as great, but that would be it in a way. I would not take a loss above there. So it's a 1-to-1. Yeah, I'll post that. This could be the first trade of crypto DEGENS. You know, shorting and longing crypto on like 10, 20, 30x leverage is but Infinity, yeah, well done, mate. And then guys, if you do enjoy this type of content, we've got about 25 people watching now. Do hit that like button, guys. It really helps us out. Let's see if we can push to 50 likes. My goal is to get a Sunday live stream to 50 likes. But you know what makes me happy is like people actually taking the trade. You know, I shared this trade. I've got, you know, there's about 20 or 30 people now watching. Most people don't make decisions. So I'm glad that. Did anyone else took the trade? Did anyone else take it? Oh, Crypto Life took it. Well done. But yeah, I mean, I can share trades, but unless you go out and do it, like, you know, that's why I don't really talk about like trading courses. Even like I do a trading course, I don't talk about it because most people won't make money. Even if you like take my trading course, you're not going to make money unless you do the work yourself. You could pay $10,000. I've paid crazy money, but the key thing is unless you practice it yourself, learn it yourself, you're not going to make money. Yeah, it does look good, and if Bitcoin sells off, I think this will move down quite a lot lower. And for our short time frame, that is my bias on BTC. As long as Bitcoin doesn't get back above there, I think, yeah, SNX does have a rally down. This spike, when did that spike happen? You know, if I was trading aggressively, I don't trade as like 24/7 as I used to. That spike would have been my short. This would be my short here. I'll try and short it like somewhere there. This happened. Oh, you can see when it happened. I wasn't at my desk then. This short happened around 1 a.m. UK time. on Friday night as well, so I wasn't at my desk. That short would be a short for me. We'll review this trade, see how it goes. But entry wise, so that would be an entry. The other entry would be where I've put this line, so that would be other entry. So this pullback or that pullback would be another entry. A few more shorts I like is BNB. I'm still holding BNB shorts. So if you guys remember, we shorted BNB here and there. I think if BNB breaks below this red zone, I'd double, triple my shorts. Yeah, I do Forex. I mainly trade the pound and the oil. So oil is what I became full-time trading, oil. And I've talked about this. What's oil? Yeah. So oil, trading oil in 2018 is what that's what I became full-time on, trading oil. And this was just went absolutely crazy. The dump we saw in oil was ridiculous. And I was just like following my 4-hour pullback strategy like a dummy, and it just kept dumping. It might not, but if it breaks support, mate, that is a floor break, isn't it? Trading strategy wise. You know, I shorted Tron, and I closed my Tron trade because it kept moving up. I'm not in a Tron trade now. I'm gonna short Tron again. I've got an alert, I'll let you guys know. So I shorted Tron here, and then this is where I exited Tron. Yeah, but it pumped so much. I don't know, I might be wrong, mate. I wouldn't. I'm still in a BNB short, AVAX short, all these coins that I entered early, I'm holding them. Yeah, I don't do as much Forex, but yeah, oil, and then currently I do scalping wise, I mainly focus on the pound and SPX and oil. Those are the only three markets that I trade on intraday basis. I'm doing that more again. I was full-time crypto, like when all these rally, I was just crypto. And then during Bitcoin, I mean, David, some of the guys from my group would know, I traded, I started trading alts, started trading Forex again when we saw this chop here. Because we didn't do anything, and if I've got to make money daily, 1 month it just didn't do anything. So I traded a lot more SPX and stuff. By the way, we've got about 30 people watching. Let's see if we can push it up to 30 likes, guys. If you're enjoying the content, do hit the like button. So right, any other coins? I've been talking about for 42 minutes. Have you guys got any coin requests that you want me to look at? I'll just share with you. Again, it's a DEGENS crypto live stream, so David, what do you think about the name, by the way, Crypto for DEGENS? I wanted to make like a weekly show thing, and then it's going to be a weekly thing. Every Sunday I do this Crypto for DEGENS. Let me know what you guys think about the name. If you have a better name, I can think about it. Right, so 3 altcoins that I'm going to give you to trade. So is HNT, and all of these have been posted before. So HNT was posted on the live stream, and then OGN are posted in the Rocko trading group. So HNT was here, so I've been sharing a few signals on this. HNT seems to just work really well for me. So HNT entry was here, same 4-hour pullback. I'm sharing the same thing over and over again, nothing fancy. 4-hour pullback, hold support. It's not hit target yet. So HNT is one. OGN is got airdrop. So OGN, I didn't think I posted it on the live stream. I posted it here. OGN has airdrop news. You can see when I entered as well, OGN. This is moving up. I've taken some profit on OGN. I do think it will rally up again. Pull back, hold here. I think OGN should head towards 3 cents or even higher. But I do like OGN. I think it rallies up to there. So yeah, I like OGN. And you mind HNT? What do you think about HNT long term? I don't know about it fundamentally, but for some reason my trades really work well on this. So I took a long here, got stopped out. Sorry for swearing, but this was so annoying. It literally stopped me out for like a couple of percent, then hit my target. Took a long here, amazing trade, and then this one seems to work well as well. I've taken profit here around 18%, well 16% I think it was, I took profit on. And then another coin I like is XMR and Sol. So these are the long. If you want to degen into alts, you can degen into this. I'll share with you. You know, me and David used to look at PooCoin. When altcoin starts pumping, we'll bring this back up. This is where you trade. This is where proper altcoin degens are at. You know, some of the coins, these are like scam coins we trade. We'll do it again when the time is right. We can do it, but when the market is like this, we can't. Look at this. Can we even do log? I mean, even on log, you can't see this. I think David knows. There's a guy that traded this. I was telling him to sell it, and he just like rode it. I would have sold it there, the way I trade, and he just carried on pumping. So it's not the time to do this, and hopefully we do get to play a bull market, and we get to play a bull market with you guys. I'd really want to carry this on, but at the moment it's not time to degen as much. It's still crypto degens. I mean, crypto is degen. Even trading Bitcoin, like some of my mentors, he's a big oil trader in America. His size, I mean, his one stop loss is probably bigger than your yearly income or our yearly income put together. But yeah, he calls me a degen just because I talk about Bitcoin. He's told me I'm not allowed to talk about Bitcoin to him on my mentoring calls. So, you know, it says just degen doing Bitcoin, and then degening, I'm just using degen a lot, aren't I? Trading and shorting altcoins with so low liquidity. I mean, I'm not that big of a trader, but if someone wanted to, you can just buy a lot. I can't probably move Sol, but there are coins I can move with the little money I have. So it is truly degens. It is absolutely crazy. Anyways, HNT, I like Sol, so I like Sol. So I said Sol long here. I posted Sol long there as well. Nice Sol gone. SM, I think SM posted Sol. So well done SM for posting Sol. Can't find Sol now. Yeah, there we go. So Sol had some news about some phone, and I said you can look to buy some with stop below. You can get some exposure now, and yeah, Sol had a rally, and as long as we're above this, I think Sol heads towards potentially 48. I'll probably start taking profit depending on how the market opens. So these are the altcoins I trade. I like. Over to you guys. The next 20 minutes is over to you guys. I'm just going to answer your questions you have. So any altcoin requests? Someone asked about Luna. Let me talk about Luna. I've done Hex. Someone asked about Matic as well. So there's nothing going on with Luna, guys. I mean, I've not even made a Luna video. I might make a Luna video again. Yeah, ape. Crypto. We could have called ourselves Crypto Apes, but I'll talk about ICP in a second. I've got a long explanation. Yeah, so Luna, Luna at the moment, there's no point hodling unless they come up with something. There's no point. I like Mina. I traded Mina massively. I like Mina. Big exchange token. I love exchange tokens. So look, I agree with what you're saying, but I don't know if you've traded a bear market. When something breaks down, it dumps. It can break down more than anything. So that is why I'm just saying, like, if BNB breaks this support, it can dump. That's what I said. But I love exchange tokens. Like, exchange tokens are my favorite tokens. They made me more money than anything. FTX, Uniswap, KSC, BNB, all these exchange tokens made us money. Sushi Swap. I love a cake, our favorite cake. I love these exchange tokens. But yeah, sorry, let me do, what was I doing? I was doing Luna. So actually, I posted a trade on Luna. I didn't take this, by the way. I wish I did. Type in Twitter, you'll see this post, this Luna trade. It's hitting target. I think it could. I'm not really interested in trading it unless there's some positive news about Luna. I won't trade it. And another thing I want to say about Luna is Luna is likely to have, especially like I like risk free. I like to do things where the risk is the least, and Luna is the opposite. So let's say Luna has we've hit 20 likes. I don't know, are you guys not enjoying the live stream? I think the views are less, maybe that's why. Last Sunday we had 42. Yeah, I still use it. Pancake Swap is still an absolute legendary exchange. I think they didn't do very well with NFTs. We'll have a look at the Cake token. I'm out of Cake now, but yeah, Luna, I'm not going to touch it unless they have a big breakout, big news. But even then, the concern with Luna is they're gonna get hit with lawsuits, and so let's say I'm in a trade, I'm up 20%, and then a lawsuit news comes up, and boom, I'm down 30%. So I won't be trading Luna with big size because of that. So that's quickly on Luna. Ape, I mean, Ape is not bad. Ape is not too bad. It's trying to trend change here, so I can see the traction for it. But yeah, I don't know. I probably won't take it now. I prefer like Sol and the other coins I shared. It's not too bad. You can look for a higher low here for a trade. We'd stop below probably there. We could get like a 1-to-1 here, but I'm not a big fan. One of the coins, I'll ask you guys what you think. What's a waste of time? Yeah, exactly, Mughals. I mean, if they did it in like a more bull market, it would be better. So Ape, I'm not sure. What's that? Oh man, David, what's that? What's the NFT marketplace that launched similar to OpenSea? Do you guys remember what's the NFT marketplace? I wanted to buy that. Can anyone remember? It's just bothering me now. Can anyone remember? Yes, Lux. I kind of want to buy Lux because, you know, same strategy as exchange tokens. Lux is down about 94. It's already pumped a lot. It's doubled. Yeah, you can't buy this now. It's probably a short now. This is like floor break. This is what I call base. Just retesting the base. Don't buy it now. Wait for it to get above. But yeah, I'm tempted to buy this because this is the reason why I like exchange token. Is they're the only thing in the market that makes money. Like all cryptocurrencies, Cardano, every token like lose money, don't make money. Exchange tokens are the only few tokens that make money. Hey, no worries, mate. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Are you saying bye or are you just saying hello? I thought you were saying goodbye for some reason. Good evening, everyone. Are you just joining? So, and Looks Rare, I think, makes millions like on fees, NFT trading fees. So I'm happy to buy this. If I get a setup, like maybe some lower highs and then trend change, or maybe like try to buy support here, I'll do a post on this on the group, same as like OGN post. I'll do a post on this for you guys, and I will review it in the live streams as well. Right, so ICP had actually a bad launch. The problem with ICP was it had such big investments, right? It just started to dumping. The market cap for at launch was absolutely ridiculous, like huge investors. Yeah, Looks Rare. I think someone else posted Looks Rare. Yes, David. I think someone beat you to it. But yeah, I think Looks Rare would be a good token. What do you guys think? Do you think Looks Rare could be a good project? Exactly, Luca. I think you've got it. And I try to find these edges. So even though trading will make you money, the big money, like life-changing money, is made when you have this sort of edge. So one is Luna, and you know, people will laugh at me for saying that, but Luna's been great. And I talk about this a lot because if I made this type of calls every day or every year even, I would be filthy rich. But then this is one call I always talk about, is this I made a call about buying exchange tokens back in like 2021 when they were breaking out, and they're all documented. All my trades I post here, why I'm longing it, why I'm bearish, all my updates. And then FTX and BNB, this just went parabolic. And life-changing money is made by making these bets. In like 2021, this breakout, I played that. BNB, FTT, KuCoin shares, you can check all of them. Cake, they just went parabolic. And that is when you can say like you have a 10 grand account, you can make it to 100 grand. Here you'll trade it, maybe double, triple your money. But then like the generational, not generational, I'll probably need another bull market to be like generational. But that's when you make the big bucks. So that is one edge. Luna was another one for me, $5 Luna. I wish Luna just carried on, or some people made money in like Metaverse token, AXS. I didn't make as much. I traded money. There's a guy that turned like 5K into like big 6K figure in my group. He played the game since like I think $5 he got in. I traded it from here to there. I've made some money, but I got in fairly late, so I didn't make as much. But that's like a playing narrative, and I wish, next bull market, hopefully I'll back myself to play another bet. I don't know what it will be, if it will be DeFi. DeFi was another one, SNX, AVAX. There's so many coins. Again, I've been doing this since 2016, early 2017, and then full-time 2018. Look at IC. Well, there's not too much to look at ICP. The issue with ICP was they had such big investors. The price should have been like $1. It started at 170 and it's just dumping. So unless I see structure, I don't even think it's okay to get in it now. I want to see what Bitcoin does. I'll degen later. So that's ICP. Mina, I traded Mina. I'm not in Mina at the moment. I created a new account on Kraken to trade Mina. This is where I traded Mina. This was my entry in Mina. I played it up to there, I think. Oh, we can see the entry signals as well on there. Some of them loads up. I'm not in Mina now. Once this broke, and then I got out, and then it couldn't trend change above. I'm not sure if I will. What's the ICP's market cap? Okay, that fair enough. Yeah, you can hodl then if you got in that early. Still big market cap. I've not researched as much, so I can't really comment on this. Oh, amazing. I wish I had done that. That's another way of making generational wealth. I'm not very good at that. Like getting in on white lists and stuff. I've not done that as much. Maybe next time I want to improve that. Getting in on like white lists and like not ICOs but the new stuff. Any other coins, guys? I'll hang around for another 10 minutes and then I'll shoot off. I've not done Cake. Let's do Cake. Yeah, Cake, I'm just not interested in Cake now. I was staking it, playing with it, all that cool stuff. And then once this broke below, that's when I stopped. And I've not really got involved in it. I'm not going to touch it. I talked about like buying here for a rally. But yeah, I'm not going to touch Cake now. I don't know, maybe $1? Yeah, Matic. Sorry, mate, I've missed Matic. I'll do Matic. Let me do Rari. Well, I'll do Matic next because you've asked me a few times now, AD. Yeah, come back here, I'll touch it. If not, I'll just wait. That's Matic. That's Cake. Yeah, it's such a... Unless it gets below $5, I think it goes lower. I mean, I might even short Cake. This could be a short. Yeah, this could even be a short. Matic, yeah. In Matic could be a short as well. All of these are like a big resistance. I wanted a bigger spike and then start selling. But this is not looking great, is it? I'll probably wait till the market open. And in Matic, I shorted Matic here. Where was my Matic short? I shorted Matic there, and watch my previous live stream. I took profit here, took profit there, and then I got stopped out there. That's where I got stopped out in Matic. So I'm happy to short Matic again. I said long it above, and if Matic starts breaking below there, look for a short. Yeah, trend change below there. Look for a short in Matic. I might set an alert myself on there. Have I got an alert? Let me move my alert up. This has got room to go down. And Matic is another one. You know, if Ethereum dumps, look how far Matic can go. This is scary. I'll probably like Matic short more than BNB. Because if Ethereum merge fails, I mean, this is a layer 2 solution. This could be like, you know, one of the big moves I talk about that I played. This could be one of the big moves. We'll see if we get to play that. So yeah, that's my thoughts on Matic, mate. For now, it's okay. And I shared like here you could look for to buy a pullback, and we've already moved up. If you did take it long somewhere here, take profit would be here. But now trend change below 4 hour moving average, that would be a short. Okay, AVAX and Rari, and then one. AVAX as well. I mean, a lot of these, if these structures starts breaking, then there could be like a bearish retest and then dump down. I've got an AVAX short still. I'm holding an AVAX short. You know, when I get in coins that early, like Matic, I got in here, so I had to exit. Tron, I got in here, so I had to exit. But when I get in a short that early, like I have with this, I'm happy to hold this. I'm still holding this short. But if you guys are looking for a short, we can look for a short on this. Why is it doing that for? Trading views playing up. I think I need to start rounding up the live stream. What is happening to trading view? I can't put an alert. Oh, it has let me put an alert. So yeah, I don't want to see it below. Rari and one. I'll start rounding up the live stream now, unless you've got any burning questions, guys. I don't know what does Rari do? The chart doesn't look good, mate. I mean, when a chart is like this, ask yourself, is it trending up or down? This is trending down. Unless you see like this, then it's not a buy for me. Just a quick technical analysis on this. Let's say like this is a zone I need trend changing above. If not, I don't want to touch this. I've done AVAX. Let's do one. One had some bearish news, didn't it? It didn't break down as much when I looked at it. Oh, it did. Why have I not got an alert? When did it hit my alert? It hit my alert like, oh man. You can see like during the midnight it hit my alert. That I was looking to short one there, and then I've missed it. You know, if I could trade 24/7, I used to joke that I should create this strategy with someone else and then we'll just trade it 24/7. I know it's not possible, but I was doing kind of that. I'd just wake up and not sleep. Oh, come on. I think TradingView is playing up. Is NFT marketplace? Yeah, Muggles. I think we need to see some better strength before we see anything else. so one, my alert's not playing up for some reason. Let me just try one more thing to see if it works. No, it's not working. I'll just create a new one. So one below there, one had some bearish news. Are you guys aware of one's news? So it won't even let me create alert. What is going on, guys? I'm having a mini panic attack. One is below key zone. I think one is a really good short if this breaks down. I'll short this above Bitcoin, you know. If one breaks down, I'd look to short one. And one, let me bring on news. One had some really bad news. There was a hack on one, wasn't it? There was an exploit on one, 100 million. So yeah, maybe I need to do a one prediction. Not looking. Yeah, mate. So this live stream every Sunday I'll do it. I'll do this for at least 3 months. So we've been use Delta Exchange as well. If you guys want to like short take these trade setups, they have sponsored me. So at least 3 months I'll make this crypto for DEGENS trade. So yeah. Right, guys, I'll start rounding up now. Any final questions? Thank you everyone for watching. Like I said, if you do enjoy this type of live, just hit that like button. You can check out our Rocko trading group. You can put some money in Delta Exchange if you want to help us sponsors. It would really help this live stream. But again, all I ask from you guys is just a like. That's the most important thing. And well, the most important thing, you guys enjoying it. And Luca, yeah, you do. But no, as long as you guys just enjoy, subscribe, like, that's all I care about. So thank you very much for watching. It really means a lot to me. Like, I know my channel is small, but just having people listen to you is pretty great, and just building this community. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next Sunday. Let me know if there's any content you want me to create during the week. So I tried to do like a couple of altcoin live stream coin videos during the week. If you have any coin requests or any type of video you want me to make, let me know. So thanks SM, thanks Crypto Life, Luca, thank you all for watching. And yeah, let me just post this, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Thank you very much for watching all. Goodbye.